So we're going to start by just recognizing that none of this contains our variable, so we're just going to kind of ignore that for now. And the 9x to the n power, the derivative by the chain rule, would be an n times 9x to the n minus 1 times the derivative of the 9x. However, we really have all the other stuff. We just are ignoring it for now. So we've got a negative 1 to the n and an n to the 5 all on bottom. And the n's can be combined together. And there's lots of things we could do with the 9x and the n minus 1 and the 9. However, we'll just leave it like that for now. But we have one other slight issue in that the answer starts indexing at 0, and ours starts indexing at 1. So to fix that, we're going to need to subtract 1 from the index on the summation, which means we have to add 1 to each of these. Which would give us this summation. This n equals 0 would now match. This would be a negative 1 to the n plus 1. This would be an n plus 1 to the fourth. This would be a 9 times a 9x to the n minus 1 plus 1, which would just be an n. And that's probably the reason that they wanted the index starting at 0. And I'm pretty sure that if we were to type the rest of this, it would be counted as perfectly fine.